Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, we have another product review that we will be reviewing here on the vlog. And it was actually a gift from my mom. So, thank you so much, Mother, for giving me this gift. So, I actually have or received the Boya. So, it's called the Boya Lavalier Microphone. And I actually have been reviewing previous microphones here on the vlog. So I reviewed the Senda, I've reviewed the Lapel microphone, but actually currently I'm using the Senda right now. And it seems that I'm kind of having some problems regarding my audio. So hopefully I'll be able to use this. And let's go ahead and unbox this right here on the channel. Let's go! Okay, so let's go ahead and start unboxing this thing. Okay, so it's actually a Boya brand, and it's actually the Boya Pro Audio Series. So the model for this is BY-M1. Curious. I'm actually kind of curious. Let's go ahead and see. So it's the lavalier microphone. Let's go ahead and box this. Okay, so first on the package is the manual. Okay, the typical manual already included in the package, and then there's one more. Apparently this seems like this is the warranty. This may be the warranty. Okay, so it's good. And the package itself. So if you can see here, the microphone does include with the package, and it says there Boya. Simple design, but great. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Wow, okay. Okay, so there are multiple things inside here. Let's go ahead and show you guys. So the microphone itself, here. So it's a Boya brand. It's pretty heavy. This thing is pretty heavy. I'm not sure what it is though. Okay, so it's for the camera. So you can either toggle to camera off or smartphone. So it has an option there. You can read it. And of course, there's a small clip or a where you can put it in your shirt, and the long line here. So let's try to see how long it is. Let's see here. Let's move this small wire. Okay, it does come with this though, which is great. Okay, so if you can see this, guys, it's pretty long. Oh, I think I mixed it up. What? But it is pretty long, guys. So it's pretty good. It's pretty great because it can be used if you wanna, you guys wanna vlog, you guys wanna create some videos, or maybe you like to present in your school, maybe work. You'll be able to do it. So it's pretty long. It's not short though. It's not short as well. It's pretty long. So as you can see, I've created like a spider web of rectangled wires. So the wire itself is pretty long. So from here, I can't even. Okay, I was finally able to loosen it up. So it's pretty long for this end, and for here where you could put it in your shirt, the wire for this one, for the mic itself, which is here, is pretty long as well. Okay, now included in the Boya microphone is of course your standard this one cover where you can put in the mic here. So let's cover it up right now. I can already tell that based on this one, this is better than the lapel microphone, which is, I actually got that for very cheap. It's around 85 pesos. Maybe in the US, maybe like $1.30 maybe. That's pretty cheap. But here, so from this side to the microphone, it's also a long cable. So this is actually pretty good for vlogging as well. If you have some equipment that's very far away from your self, you'll be able to insert the mic maybe in your camcorder or cell phone, mobile phone maybe. But over here, there is a clip for this as well. So you can clip the microphone onto your shirt and be able to use this. So let's try to open this up and try to put it in as well. Okay, just put the clip here and you should be good to go. And another jack. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Yeah. So let's go ahead and try to test the microphone. So right now, let's go ahead and try to test the microphone. Okay guys, so I was able to put or install the microphone on my cell phone. So right now I'm only using a cell phone to record my vlogs. So right now the microphone is inserted on my cell phone and I've put the microphone here. Okay, so right now, how is my voice? Is it okay? Is it okay right now? Or was my voice better before this microphone?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful?
Your voice is beautiful.
Okay, so Colleen is here. So yeah, she's been watching me review this microphone for you guys. But so overall, I don't know what my voice looks like. I'll only be able to find out once I start editing the video. But so far, for Boya, it seems pretty good because not only it came with a package, but the wires are extremely long. It can accommodate if you have, like, let's say you have your equipment is quite far away from you and you would like a longer line. So definitely it is possible with the Boya. And it also comes with the, with the small bag where you can put in the microphone, which is pretty good. Usually nowadays, all the other microphones come with this, but with this one, it's actually pretty big. So it's great. Overall, the microphone, it seems comfortable. The cable that comes with it, or the cable of the microphone, is not that thick, so you better just keep your eye out. Maybe it may snap, it may be broke or pulled if you pulled it too much, but so far it's okay. Hope you guys can hear it. Hello, hi, can you hear me? Hello. But so far, I think it's pretty much a big improvement compared to my voice earlier, just using the Senda. So I'm currently using the Senda one, so here it is. Would I recommend it? Maybe after I hear my audio, once I start editing my video, I'll be able to let you know. But so far, just check this one here if I recommend it or not. So it will just pop up here, recommended or not. I was actually able to take a quick view of my video. The Boya microphone is pretty good. My voice did change versus the microphone that I used earlier, which is actually pretty good. So I was pretty impressed with the Boya, and it was able to improve my voice quality. Okay, so I hope you liked my short review for the Boya Lavalier microphone. And if you do have any other products you'd like me to review, if it is affordable or I can, take a chance to review it on my vlog, let me know. And I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't watched any of my videos yet, please check out my reaction videos. I usually post videos about the PS5s. I usually post videos about, let's say, movie trailers or so with Colleen. And hope you guys support my channel as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out!